Awning windows are an excellent choice for Clearwater homes, offering superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. However, living in a coastal environment means your windows are exposed to high humidity, salty air, and strong sunlight, all of which can accelerate wear and tear. Proper maintenance is key to ensuring your awning windows continue to perform well and look great for years to come. Here's a comprehensive guide to maintaining awning windows in Clearwater's coastal weather. Regular cleaning to combat salt and grime. Clearwater's salty air can cause buildup on window frames, glass, and hardware, leading to corrosion and reduced functionality. Regular cleaning helps prevent these issues. Cleaning tips. Rinse with fresh water. Use a hose or a bucket of fresh water to rinse off salt and debris from your windows. Mild soap solution. Mix a mild soap with water and gently scrub the frames, glass, and hardware using a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid harsh chemicals. Steer clear of abrasive cleaners or ammonia-based products, as they can damage finishes and glass coatings. Dry thoroughly. After cleaning, dry the windows with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots or streaks. Frequent cleaning removes corrosive salt deposits and keeps your awning windows looking their best. Inspect and maintain window seals. Properly sealed awning windows are essential for keeping Clearwater's humid air and rain out of your home. Regularly inspecting and maintaining seals ensures optimal performance. Seal maintenance tips. Check for damage. Look for cracks, gaps, or peeling in the weather stripping and caulking around your windows. Replace worn weather stripping. If the seals are worn or damaged, replace them with high-quality, weather-resistant materials. Reapply caulking. Use a waterproof caulk to seal gaps around the frame and prevent air or water leaks. Well-maintained seals improve energy efficiency and protect against moisture intrusion. Lubricate moving parts. The humid and salty air in Clearwater can cause the moving parts of awning windows, like hinges and handles, to corrode or stick. Lubricating these components ensures smooth operation. Lubrication tips. Use a silicone-based lubricant. Apply a silicone-based spray to the hinges, tracks, and locking mechanisms to prevent rust and keep them moving freely. Wipe away excess. After applying lubricant, wipe off any excess to avoid attracting dirt or dust. Inspect hardware. Check for signs of wear or rust, and replace any corroded components as needed. Regular lubrication extends the lifespan of your awning windows and keeps them functioning effortlessly. Protect against UV damage. Clearwater's abundant sunshine can cause fading and deterioration of window frames and finishes over time. Taking steps to protect your awning windows from UV damage is crucial. UV protection tips. Apply protective coatings. Use UV-resistant sprays or waxes to shield window frames from sun damage. Tinted glass. If your windows don't already have low-E or tinted glass, consider adding a protective film to reduce UV exposure. Regular cleaning. Keeping the glass clean allows factory-applied UV coatings to work more effectively. Protecting against UV rays preserves the appearance and durability of your awning windows. Prepare for storm season. Clearwater's tropical storms and hurricanes require extra precautions to protect your awning windows. Regular maintenance ensures they are storm-ready. Storm preparation tips. Inspect impact-resistant features. If your windows are hurricane-rated, check for cracks or damage in the glass and frames. Secure frames and hinges. Ensure all components are tightly secured to withstand strong winds and pressure. Clear debris. Trim nearby trees and bushes to prevent branches or debris from damaging your windows during storms. Being proactive about storm preparation reduces the risk of damage and enhances safety. Address condensation issues. Condensation can occur on awning windows, especially in Clearwater's humid climate. While it's not always a sign of damage, persistent condensation may indicate a problem. How to manage condensation. Improve ventilation. Use exhaust fans or dehumidifiers to reduce indoor humidity levels. Check for seal failures. Fogging between glass panes may indicate a broken seal, which should be repaired or replaced. Clean and dry. Wipe away condensation promptly to prevent mold or mildew growth. Managing condensation protects your windows and promotes healthier indoor air quality. Schedule professional inspections. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, scheduling professional inspections can help identify and address issues you might overlook. Benefits of professional inspections. Comprehensive checkup. Professionals assess all components of your awning windows, including frames, glass, seals, and hardware. Timely repairs. Early detection of problems prevents more extensive and costly repairs down the line. Expert advice. Professionals can recommend upgrades or improvements to enhance performance and durability. Annual inspections ensure your awning windows are in top condition and ready to handle Clearwater's coastal climate. Conclusion. Awning windows are a stylish and practical choice for Clearwater homes, offering excellent ventilation and energy efficiency. With regular maintenance, you can protect them from the effects of coastal weather and ensure they perform beautifully for years to come. If you're looking for expert guidance or need professional assistance, contact a trusted window maintenance and installation service in Clearwater. By taking care of your awning windows, you'll enjoy the benefits of fresh air, energy savings, and a stunning home year-round.